Morning grade 1, lesson 21 this morning. And you are going to need your books and your counters. We're going to count with our counters today. And then we are going to do brand new work, how to double a number. And then a spider sum, and then word problems. Let's start with your counting. You're going to need your 70 counters, and today you are going to count forward by moving 5 at a time. So you're going to count in 5s for me with your counters. So when you go forward, you're going to move 5, and then the next one you're going to move another 5 and you're going to say 10, and then another 5 you're going to say 15. You're going to go all the way to 70 with your 70 counters. And then when you go backwards, you're just going to go backwards in ones for me from 70 to 0. Right, in your books for today, I've got more tricky ones, so listen up carefully. Remember that a number only uses one line, and then you need to skip a line in between. So you touch the top and the bottom of the line when you do your numbers. Your first one, counting 2s for me, but you're starting at 5. And then you go all the way to 29. Now remember, when we count in 2s, we skip 1 every time. Your next one, you're going to count backwards in 2s. You're starting at 50 and you're going all the way back to 2. And then your next one is going to be counting backwards in 10s. You start at 100 and you count back to 10. Remember your finger spaces in between. Now you need to sit up straight. Wake up your brain, put your thinking cap on, because we're doing brand new work. We are going to learn how to double a number. And it's super easy, lemon squeezy. The golden rule is we always add the same. And we always use Gus plus when we're doubling. So now on the left-hand side, you've got 1 duck. And we want to double 1. So when we double, we add the same on the other side. So we have our 1 duck, and we add another duck on the other side. And then we've got Ellie equals, and 1 and another 1 equals to 2. So when we double 1, our answer is 2. So double 1 is 2. Now let's see how we write the sum. We've got 1 duck because we're doubling 1. We write 1, and because it's doubling, we're always going to have Gus plus in the middle. So 1 plus, and then we always add the same, so we add another 1, equals to 2. 1 plus another 1 equals to 2. So double 1 is 2. Here's our next one. Now we are going to double 2. And we want to know, what is double 2? We've got our 2 dogs on the left-hand side. And remember, we always add the same. So now we have 2 dogs, and on the other side, we must add another 2 dogs. So 2 and another 2 equals to 4. Now let's write our sum. We're doubling 2, so we're going to start with number 2. And when we double, it's always Gus plus in the middle. So 2 plus, and we always add the same, so it's another 2, equals to 4. Double 2 is 4. Now this is another spider sum. But today you're going to do it slightly differently. Remember, you don't draw the spider in your book. And you're also not going to write double in the middle. On the left-hand corner, I've put the example for you. Remember that if we're doubling, we always add the same on the other side. So if you've got 3 on the one leg of the spider, you're going to add another 3 on the other side. If you've got 5, you're going to add another 5. If you've got 2, you add another 2. And if you've got 1, you add another 1. And when we double, Gus plus is in the middle. So your first sum in your book is going to be 3. And now we've got to double it. So we add the same. And Gus is in the middle. 3 plus another 3 equals to 6. And that's how you're going to do all these doubling sums in your book. You're going to write the sums out for me. And then remember, your answers will be in orange, purple, or red. Our story sum. I've put the rabbit on the story sum to remind you how many ears they have. There are 2 rabbits. How many rabbits' ears are there all together? Remember, you draw your picture, then you write your sum, and then you write your answer sentence. Our next one. There are 2 cars. How many wheels are there all together? Draw your picture, write your sum, and then your answer sentence. Thank you, grade 1s. Bye-bye.